Seon Heul Sup House by SOHUN Architects and Planners in Jeju, South Korea. The Gotjawal forests on Jeju Island evoke enchanting memories throughout the 4 seasons. Often regarded as the lung of Jeju, Got-Jawal comprises a lava forest that maintains its lush greenery year-round. Got-Jawal designates an area where highly viscous lava separates into large and small rock fragments during volcanic eruptions, resulting in an uneven, topographical terrain. Eventually, this process leads to the establishment of a primitive forest where trees, vines, and various vegetation intermingle. The term Gotjawal is a compound word, originating from 2 Jeju dialect words, Got, which signifies a forest, and Jawal, which refers to tangled and untidy bushes in the local dialect. Gotjawal was once deemed an abandoned, undeveloped area, largely due to its impractical cultivation in and around it. However, it has since garnered attention as a region of significant conservation value for natural resources and ecosystems, primarily because of the meticulous preservation of its natural environment. This shifting perspective has ignited a surge in private residential projects that offer accommodation and breakfast services, adhering to building codes. In recent years, both residents and newcomers, entranced by the beauty and intrinsic values of Jeju, have made dedicated efforts to encapsulate the island's natural landscapes and distinctive culture within their architectural endeavors. This endeavor seeks to capture the primal sensibilities of humanity in their designs. The Seon Heul Sup retreat was designed as a space where people can fully immerse themselves in the natural splendor of Jeju Island, embracing its oriums, seas, winds, and night skies. The client's vision conveyed this concept, as they aimed to create a small house ideal for use as a bed and breakfast (B&B) establishment. The Seon Heul Sup accommodation is nestled against the backdrop of Album Orium and a quaint forest north of Seon Heul. It is situated in the mid-mountainous region of Jeju, close to Gotjawal, where the soft luminance of fishing lanterns and the glimmer of stars in the night sky engage in a subtle dialogue with the distant horizon. The Seon Heul Sup residence is a cozy 2-story house with a first floor with a bedroom, a kitchen, a living room, a versatile room, and a bathroom. On the second floor, you'll find another bedroom and a bathroom. The house has an open design that harmonizes with its natural surroundings. The interior and exterior spaces are thoughtfully planned to offer privacy while allowing the inside area to extend into the front yard seamlessly. In the kitchen area on the east side of the building, we aim to create a sense of spaciousness by offering a visual connection to the Gotjawal landscape. We've included external staircases and an exposed concrete wall facing the road to create a natural vertical flow, resembling the flow of wind. These external staircases serve as vertical elements designed to help occupants fully appreciate the beauty of Jeju's natural surroundings while also functioning as an extension of the property's boundary wall, maintaining privacy from outside observers. These design elements are intended to optimize the experience for residents and property managers. As you enter from the ground floor's exterior space and ascend the exposed concrete external stairs, you'll be greeted by the refreshing views of the ever-changing colors and moods of the Seon Heul Sup that shift with the seasons. We have a full-length glass window that opens onto an amazing view of the Gotjawal forests at the front of the house, and the structure is a large, tall space in the form of a gable roof with a floor height of 6 m. The linearity of the interior spaces on the first floor can be accentuated by misyajaman, the double sliding door with traditional paper windows and door patterns that serve as temporary partitions for the design. The Seon Heul Sup retreat is peacefully situated in a serene location where you can enjoy views of Gotjawal forests from any window you open. It effortlessly integrates into its natural surroundings with a well-proportioned sense of scale. When you step outside through the 2-story high front window connected to the bedroom on the first floor, The open jacuzzi and relaxation area create a seamless connection with nature. This open jacuzzi space, set within the embrace of the natural surroundings, offers visitors a unique healing experience in the forest. It allows them to enjoy hot springs while gazing at the sky, providing a special moment of relaxation and rejuvenation, especially for urban dwellers seeking respite from their hectic lives. In the morning, as you awaken, natural light gently bathes the space through the ceiling and walls. Soft, indirect lighting enhances the ambience when night descends, adding to the retreat's allure. We have the bedroom on the upper floor, the living room on the lower floor, and the kitchen situated approximately 600 millimeters below the floor-to-ceiling height of the ground level below. The spatial functions naturally divide themselves by taking advantage of the varying terrain levels. The kitchen, a serene space filled with the soothing sounds of nature, offers a heightened sense of psychological tranquility akin to sitting within the nurturing embrace of nature. If you gently close your eyes and listen attentively, you will notice the beautiful sounds of nature that may have previously gone unnoticed, the chirping of birds, the whispering of the wind, and the rustling of leaves. We aim to make the kitchen area, which is partially sunken and integrated with the forest, even more enchanting through its horizontal openness towards Gotjawal. The kitchen on the first floor reflects the functional form of each space of a thatched roof house, a traditional Jeju Island house. It incorporates elements such as the chatbang, a small wooden dining area located between the kitchen and the living room, and the vgolmek, a fire pit used for room heating, within Ijyeongji, the traditional Jeju kitchen, which has a similar spatial division of functions that can be adapted to modern lifestyles, and the vgolmek is positioned about 600 to 700 millimeters lower than the chatbang level. My first-hand experience of growing up in my grandmother's house as a child allowed me to naturally incorporate Jeju's Gyeonggi kitchen layout, leveraging the level difference on the plan site. This is why the space holds a special place in my heart, making me feel particularly attached to it. Jeju's nature represents our dreams, hopes, and a source of profound joy. Like a nurturing mother, the forest generously provides for us while extending its wide arms to embrace us warmly. The enigmatic depths of the dark forest and the pristine vistas of Gotjawal maintain their sense of wonder. With a deep respect for maintaining the natural order, we delicately embrace and soothe it. We have created a cozy refuge tucked away in Seon Heul by transforming raw materials into something new. The Seon Heul Sup retreat is a testament to our commitment to not forgetting that architecture and people are integral parts of Mother Nature in the creative process of shaping something from nothing.